guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you the story of the tree mother. Her name is Salu Marda Timmakka. Salu Marda Timmakka was a kind grandmother from Karnataka. She did not have babies. She loved trees very much, so she planted banyan trees near the roadside and took care of them just like her babies. Every day she carried water and walked far distance to water the plants. Slowly, the plants grew into big, strong trees. Now thousands of trees are standing because of her love. Salumada Timmakka teaches us one lesson. Trees are our families. If one grandmother can grow a forest, can we at least grow one tree? Grow many trees to save our planet. Thank you.